The Mawpait-Nongthymmai Integrated Village Cooperative Society (MNIVCS), which comprises of 5 villages including Mawpait Tlongpleng, Nongthymmai Raidewsaw, Domshken Rum and Mawlyngroh, celebrated its 5th anniversary on the 27th of November 2024. The day was marked by various activities including a run for fun, a water drinking competition and a tug of war. Additionally, a cake-cutting ceremony commemorating the Society's 5th year was led by Senior Cooperative Officer, SRCS Mawkyrwat Dhar. On this occasion, the Managing Committee members for the 2024-29 term were also elected. The office bearers included Chairman Fulmar Nongsit, Secretary Domshken along with 10 other members. The program was chaired by Fulmar Nongsit, Chairman of the MNIVCS, while key speakers included Iwan Maria, Project Manager of Mission Organic Shillong, Domshken, the Secretary of the MNIVCS, Dhar, the Senior Cooperative Officer from the Sub-Registrar Cooperative Society Office Mawkyrwat, and Hope Thongni from the DPM Office Mawkyrwat. Winners of the various competitions were awarded mementos and cash prizes. The MNIVCS also expressed its gratitude to the local MLA Pius Marwing for his support to the society.
Kita membahas jong MLA jangi, ubaju yarap ini nak Singapura, kumtu kepala pusko benda dah sekretari, sementara kena kesong pisang ngintip kat no un